Hi Shimmy Shaker, and welcome to our 30-day dance challenge, day 25. Oh my goodness, we are almost through the whole entire challenge. Firstly, I want to say if you are celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a really nice time with your family today, and I'm glad you could join me for a little dance. We have a really fun, upbeat, fast combination today that you are going to love, and it is all about our hip drops. So remember, with your hip drops, we want to start with our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up. You can have your hands here or here or here or here, wherever you like. Today, we are going to bring our front arm in front and our back arm up and the front foot in front. So remember, when you're doing your hip drops, you bring one foot in front, about a foot in front, but you still keep your feet about hip width apart that way. We're lifting up through our core, getting those nice rolls through our stomach, lifting our foot off the floor, straightening that knee, and then drop down. So just practice a few of these too. Good, good, good. And then in the combination today, we're also adding a release. So remember, with the release, like in our combination, oh, what number was it? 8, I think. We did a drop, release, drop, release. Yeah, combination 8, drop, release, drop, release. When you do the release, you also want to do the drop. So it's not just the drop and then release, it's drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release. And in our little combination today, we're adding a new one, which is a knee, knee. So same principle applies when you're adding the knee up. Even though you're bringing the knee up, you're still using that hip. Yes, so you still want to get those nice rolls through your stomach. It's a little bit harder because you have to work through here to stabilize yourself, but also you can't push off your foot to get the hip up. You really have to rely on your core. So if you're trying to build your core strength, this one's a good one for you. So starting here, it's drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. So you've got 3 sets of drop and release, then 2 knee, knees. Let's go again. Drop, start again. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Let's try the other side. If you're finding as well that it's difficult to balance for this one with the knee, you can either not do the knee, or you can hold on to something until you get your balance, until you get the feeling of the move, and eventually it will come. Remember, balance is part of your fitness, so it is something you can train if you haven't done it for a while. It might be a little bit rusty, but it will come the more you do it. Okay, so bring the other foot in front now. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Okay, so let's have a little practice up to tempo. We'll do to this side, then we'll come back to this side. As you change your feet, all you're doing is from here, just stepping across. So very simple, little transition. You can practice your transition if you're finding the transition hard. And let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, knee, knee. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. Again. Good. Yeah, nice work. Well done. So that's our little Christmas combination for you guys. Oh, I'm getting puffed out doing that one. Have a beautiful day. I will see you tomorrow for combination 26. We have hardly any left to go. So amazing. I hope you've been enjoying the choreography. Please let me know in the comments. And if you happen to be watching this video for the first time, miss the other combinations, I'll list them all below as well so you can catch up. Otherwise, have an awesome day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.